Here's a bit of fun, balls bouncing around in a box. And like any good movie, there's a surprise ending. Hope you enjoy it. I added red shading to show balls which are colliding in proportion to their deformation. It's also interesting to compare where the blue and green balls end up. For the techies, I wrote the code in Python and it's got all the correct physics except there's no friction or adhesion.